Alright, we've got our fourth video on graphing linear equations. Now this one's a little bit different. It doesn't tell us to graph from standard form or slope-intercept form, it just gives us an equation and says to graph it. So what we're going to do is we're going to default to slope-intercept form. It's an easy way to graph, so if it doesn't tell you which form to put it in, let's just get to slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form means solve everything for y. So first thing, I see this 3 in front of parentheses, so we're going to do some distributing. We basically have to clean up this equation a little bit. That's going to give us 3x plus 3y plus 6. Alright, now we've got to get variables on the same side. I want the x's on the right side, so I'm going to add x. So we have y equals 4x plus 3y plus 6. And then you want the y's on the left side, so I'm going to subtract 3y to get it over here with the other y. So we have negative 2y equals 4x plus 6. Alright, so we almost have this solved for y. We just have to get rid of that negative 2. It is being multiplied, so we divide everything by a negative 2. And our equation is going to be y equals 4 divided by negative 2 is a negative 2x. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Alright, so hopefully that looks familiar. Our slope is negative 2 and our y-intercept is negative 3. So when we graph this, we start with that y-intercept at negative 3. So just go down 3 on the y-axis and plot your first point. Now to do our slope of negative 2, that's like a negative 2 over 1. That gives you a rise over run if you want to write it that way. So that means from the point we just plotted, we have to go down 2, 1 to the right, down 2, 1 to the right. And then when you run out of space, then you go back and you backtrack, and we're going to go up 2 and 1 to the left. And we know this is linear, so everything should be falling in line, and it looks like we're going to get a nice straight line out of this. And then you can draw in your line, going through all the points as best you can. Using a ruler would probably be nice as well. But there's our line.